Hello students, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to wrap up the units of currents and circuits by talking about power and energy. We've already learned about these two things in previous units. Whenever we were learning about work, we learned that work is equal to force times distance. So when a force is applied to something and that thing moves, work is being done, which is also a change in energy. We define energy as the ability to do work, and whenever work is done over a period of time, there is a power output, which can be calculated with this equation, which says power is equal to work divided by time. We can apply these two things to electrical energy in circuits with two simple equations. So in a circuit where there's currents and voltage, you can calculate power, which is still how much work is being done over a period of time, by multiplying the voltage and the current. So here's our equation for power, and we can put this in a triangle just like we did with Ohm's law. With this triangle, I can see that if I cover up P, it equals voltage times current. If I cover up voltage, it's power divided by current. And if I cover up current, it's power divided by voltage. So here are three equations that relate power, voltage, and current. If you have two of the variables, you can find the third remaining one. Okay, as I was mentioning earlier, power is equal to work over time, and work is also like a change in energy. So if we want to find the total change of energy over this period of time, we can calculate that using power and also time. So here's my equation for energy. You just have to multiply power to time. We can find the total energy generated or transferred in that time. We can also put this equation into a triangle. Any equation that takes this form, where something equals something else times something else, you can put it in this triangle form, and it helps you solve for the other variables. So here's my triangle. If I solve for power, it's energy divided by time. If I solve for time, it's energy divided by power. Here are my three equations that relate energy, power, and time. And the same thing applies. If I have two of those variables, I can find the third remaining one. That's going to be all for today's video. Thank you. See you next time.